Hello guys, welcome to another Rossberry Productions video. And in today's video, we're going to be putting a Ventura rack and a large box on my 2006 Kawasaki GPX250. Now this will be exactly the same on any GPX250 all the way from 1988 through to 2007. So quite easy. Got a few components. You have the side rails. Obviously the Ventura rack itself, which I am cheating because I've already got the mounting plate on there where it's been on the bike before. And then of course our top box. And then we've just got a few bolts that hold it all together. And the only tools I'm going to need is a 10mm socket and a 5mm Allen key. However, some of the screws may be different on your bike. They may be smaller Allen keys or they may be like a Phillips head screw. Anyway, I'll show you that in a second. So let's get started. So the first thing we're going to do is mount the two side rails. Now these are quite good because they've been engineered in a way that they go as a direct replacement for these fixings in here. So this is where our bolts may be different. I have Allen key bolts in here. You may have Phillips screws. So I'm just going to undo them fully. So no need to actually take these out. You can by just pulling them in case you're curious. Just leave them on there. We're going to get our rail and our new bolts. So much longer. Go all the way in like so. Pass them through. Just start to do them up. We're not going to do these up too tight just yet because we want to actually test fit the rack before we do. So just leave it as about 2mm of play. Repeat for the other side. Before we go ahead and fit our rack, I'm just going to put a small bit of grease around the tubes just to give them some protection. We can wipe off any excess like so, making sure each of these is out. Line your rack up, put all the way down, and then start to do these up. You feel it start coming down. And then what I'm going to do is I'm just going to get an Allen key and fit it in this side. I'll show you closer on the camera. So looking at the fixings here, you'll see there's circles all the way around or holes all the way around. Just get an Allen key, put it into the hole and turn it. Doesn't need to be too tight. So we're doing this one first. And then we go ahead and do the one closer to the frame. Repeat for the other side. Now the rack is on and square, just go ahead and finish doing up each of these bolts. As I mentioned earlier, I've cheated slightly because I've already got the base plate to my box mounted to the Ventura rack, but you may just have the rack with the loop that you can fit your bag on, or just you want to use the rack to strap stuff to, so that's completely up to you. I've got the base plate for the box, which I'll put on now. Slides all the way on, goes down, lock it, and of course, there you go, there's my box. And that's how a GPX250 looks like with a Ventura rack and a top box. And there we go, that's how easy it is to fit a Ventura rack and a top box on a Kawasaki GPX250. Now if you found this video helpful, please go ahead and give me the thumbs up, leave me a comment down below, check out some of my other videos and please subscribe, it makes a difference.